Hi guys, it is Craig Newton here. Well, what we have right here is my second roller coaster of the year. It's going to be a Wicker Man from Alton Towers. So far it's been roughly nearly a week, about 6 days of working with this. So far, actually I'm going to move. We have the station right here, and then the turn, and then it goes up the lift hill, and then it turns, and then it goes down the drop, and then it goes up the first airtime hill, which I'm currently started, but I will continue building with that. I don't know, I'm kind of not having this decision making, or have this thing maybe keep it in here, but if it's really big and it can't fit in my room, I may have to put it outside, which is going to be fine anyway. It will be in different clips, seeing me build, or maybe just show you how I'm getting on. I'm still making content videos, but maybe not much. Well, between maybe 2 or 4, maybe more contents, but yeah, like I said in the, my updates I've make. So yeah. So I will be building this airtime house, so yeah. Well, it's been a couple of days since I make a clip. I, I really apologise not about much, but I will get to that. The first things first, I will tell what's been happening in the weekend. Well, it's going to be 50-50. Let's start what's been happening. And the reason I didn't build because, let's start. My mum was out taking dog out, just as usual or normal. She went to the park, and then she's seen something, and then she came back, so I was in her room. I was trying looking for them, I was wondering where they were. So obviously she went back, and she was like, Craig, so I came downstairs, and then she was like, I seen something. She was crying and she was panicky, so actually it was about Saturday morning. Obviously she's like, I seen a burnt person or something like that. We didn't expect it. I think everybody's didn't expect it. So, yeah. If you guys want to see it, it's on STV News or BBC on Google as well. You will see the pictures. So, yeah. Apart from that, I've had a great weekend. Well, it's a shame. So, that's the reason why I said it's been like 50-50. But, yeah. It's sad. I will show you the football pitch though. So that's where it was happening, but you won't see it because of the flat or the houses over there. As you can see, the policeman is just walking up like side to side just to make sure nobody's out about in that. So, and that's where it's been happening. Okay, it's been a couple days or a night since the last clip, so I've been put the track on, so I'm going to give this a test. It's been roughly a week and a half of building this, so right now I'm going to give this a first test since I've because the last time it was roughly only about to here. So I've managed to done the drop, then the next couple of days I've done the first airtime hill, and then it comes down here, then the drop again, and then it turns here. So I stopped roughly right there. So I still need to build the top bit as well, which is going to be the head kind of sculpture, or whatever you want to call it, from the Wicker Man. So okay, I'm going to turn this on, the motor on. There we go. It's so big, isn't it? It might just fit in my room, but it depends. There we go. Oof. I mean, you can hear that hitting that. Okay, that's the first test. So I don't know when I'm going to do the next clip. It will be a few, well, maybe a couple of days. So yeah, I'm going to continue. Well, obviously I'm going to keep building, so yeah. Well, I've managed to finish this about another night, so I'm quite proud with that. So, but as I'm build, I have to take the section off because I need the drawers out as well when I'm build. So this is what I've done so far. Still a lot to do, but it shouldn't be take long. Another test run. It's getting really close. But what I have got out is the WD-40 stuff for put on the wheels. See if that makes any difference and, you know, make it faster. So yeah. Let's see if it works this time with the spray stuff, the WD-40. Let's see it compared from the last time. That is some difference. That is a huge difference right there. So I'm going to continue build. So it will be a few days. So I'll see you soon. Well, the Wicker Man is complete. I decided just to keep it indoor. I could put it outside, but nah. Even though it's a big coaster though. Well, apart from my last roller coaster, which is my very first, I have to put that one outside because it was big. So I just keep this one in here. So yeah, here it is, the Wicker Man. So I will record some clips, you know, every single bit. So I'm so happy to get that done. I'm surprised I got that done. I mean, that took about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks or so, building this. That was roughly the same as when I'm building Hyperion. So yeah, here it is. I have to add those 2 boosters again, which is similar from the last time or the last build. So yeah, I mean, look at that. All these tight space, well, not super tight spaces, but in these wee spaces it's no easy. I mean, look at that turnaround. It's so cool. I mean, look at that, you get like 3 tracks. Like 2 of them comes that way and that comes down there. It's quite strange, but as exactly the actual Wicker Man track layout type. So yeah, like I said, I will film a few clips. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Led by the spirit of the Wicker Man. The elders told us of a day when he would rise to give us freedom and eternal well-being. But to start that ritual, we must present him with a gift. And that gift is you. You and the flames. It is time. What an honor to see yourself bound in wicker, encased in his soul, and you see yourself in him. The time has come for the wicker man to rise. Together, we shall feel free. Let the ceremony commence.
VS Music Production